What's going on? Why is the line shut down and production stalled? I can't find the right turbine flow meter. What do you mean you can't find the turbine flow meter? It should be where we always keep them. I know, I've checked with inventory, warehouse, and our local distribution center, but they tell us that they sent it over yesterday and we cannot find it anywhere within our four walls. This is ridiculous. We need to be able to get our work done. We promised the customer. We're about to miss our ship date. Yeah, I know, but it's not like I have a magic wand that can make inventory and parts appear out of thin air. Well, maybe there's an automated system that can track and trace our inventory, parts, components, and finished goods while also integrating with SAP to deliver real-time KPIs and reporting. Yeah, right. Like that exists. Tego provides the real-time visibility and traceability you need to reduce cost, waste, get your products out the door on time, and keep customers happy.